Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Welcome to this course on water production for the pharmaceutical industry. Water is the most used utility in drug manufacturing, whether for synthesis, formulation, cleaning, or sterilization. In this lesson, we'll explore key concepts for the chapter 1 and chapter 2, including fundamental chemistry, type of pharmaceutical water, regulation, and the quality standards. In this part of the course, we will explore how to accurately identify the type of pharmaceutical water based on critical quality parameters, regulatory definitions, and intended use. We will begin with the chemical criteria such as TOC, conductivity, and pH, which help define water purity. Then, we'll review the specific uses of purified water and water for injection, and finally assess how microbial load and endotoxin levels determine sterility requirements. Now we start by chapter 1, pharmaceutical water. Pharmaceutical water is not just water. It is a regulated raw material essential in almost every step of production. It almost meets standards for total organic carbon, conductivity, microbial content, and endotoxins. Even a small deviation can result in contaminated products, risking patient safety and regulatory non-compliance. Let's begin with the fundamental chemistry. One of the most important indicators is TOC, total organic carbon. It refers the amount of organic molecules present in the water, which can come from pipes, packaging, or biofilms. TOC is tested using oxidation and detection system. United States Pharmacopoeia defined the method with a maximum limit of 500 ppb for both purified water and water for injection. Another critical parameter is conductivity, which is measured dissolved in organic ions such as salt. According to USP, water must undergo a three-stage conductivity test. At 25 degrees Celsius, the limit is 1.3 microsiemens per centimeter for purified water and 2.1 microsiemens per centimeter for water for injection. The pH also affects conductivity and must remain within 5 to 7 to ensure chemical neutrality. Now let's move on to chapter 2, standard and application of water in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Chapter 2 presents the official classifications of pharmaceutical water. We have purified water for cleaning and formulation, water for injection for sterile and injectable products, and others such as dialysis water, irrigation water, or highly purified water. Each type must meet different requirements for microbial limits, TOC, conductivity, and endotoxins. Water system must also be monitored microbiologically. The presence of bacterial, especially gram-negative ones, can introduce endotoxins. Water for injection must be sterile. Endotoxins are detected using the LAL test as per United States Pharmacopoeia. Producing pharmaceutical grade water starts with a clean source and continues through multiple treatment stages. These include pre-filtration, reverse osmosis, electrodeionization, and disinfection. Choosing the right sequences depended on the final water quality required. Once water is purified, the It must be stored and distributed under validation and hygienic conditions. Systems must prevent bioinformation, maintain temperature, and enable constant monitoring. Remember, pharmaceutical water is the drug ingredient. Its quality must be treated with the same attention as the drug itself. In the pharmaceutical industry, regulatory compliance is essential to ensure patient safety and product quality. Several pharmacopoeias set as a global standard for pharmaceutical water. The most widely recognized are the United States Pharmacopoeia, the European Pharmacopoeia, the Japanese Pharmacopoeia. This official Cambodia define the chemical, microbial, and performance-based criteria for water used in drug production. This norm helps manufacturers maintain control over water system from design to monitoring. To conclude this module, let's briefly reflect on what we've covered. We've learned to understand the role of water as a critical pharmaceutical ingredient, identify and differentiate water type like purified water and water for injection, apply key physical, chemical, and microbial standards such as TOC, conductivity and pH, and antitoxin limits, and recognize the importance of a global compliance framework like United States Pharmacopoeia and European Pharmacopoeia. Always remember, pharmaceutical water is not just a process aid, it's a part of the final product. Its quality has direct implications on drug safety and regulatory acceptance. Thank you for watching, and I encourage you to continue exploring this topic through practical application, lab simulation, and validation case studies. For questions, you can reach me by email or visit my office on Mondays. See you in the next video.